Our mom has actually had a couple of different difficulties. We are trying to number 7. You can't be over there. How'd you get over there anyway?
Power boost.
Oh, great. He has a power boost and we don't. Oh, we're going to try to jump. Hold on. Before we jump, I have an idea. Boing.
That's when you have an idea. Like, that's a serious light bulb in the brain.
Ow! Owie! That hurt. Oh no! Rocket! Yes? You find me over there. Okay. Whee! Yeah!
Your arch enemy, the car, is trying to stop you.
Kung Fu ninja move! Sorry. Boop. Yeah!
Did you really hurt him?
Yeah. Okay. We just, Rocket saved me. Thank you. Let's get back to the ship quickly. Oh no, number 7 is getting on. Hurry, anchor's up.
Too late. And you didn't see him up yet. Papa, no one's hurry. Dinosaur or him.
We gotta get up.
And you said, repeat dinosaur.
Repeat dinosaur.
And number 7.
Number 10, we need you. Oh, fine. Hey, what's that? Oh, treasure!
Papa, they threw it on treasure.
No, they didn't. Hey, guys, look, treasure. Oh, bring it to the gap. No, God, you can't do that. Look, we found treasure.
The pinball machine?
No, we got treasure.
I said pinball. I meant pinball. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired.
Well, we're gonna go in our new ship that we bought from the Joker. You can have this treasure chest here.
Yeah. And you didn't know number 6. They were in teams. And then you saw number 7.
Well, here we go.
And then you saw something. Someone stealing your stuff.
Hi, hold on. I have an idea how we can get to the epic treasure. What? I'm gonna steal it. How? I know how. Oh man, my thoughts aren't working.
Your thoughts aren't working?
I think I have an idea.
Isn't his brain supposed to light up or something?
Yeah, but my brain's not working right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let me do it.